All right, what's up, guys? Today I want to talk. I want to have a friendly talk with you guys, and I want to share with you why I left the stock market in 2016 and I got into crypto. And the reason was I did not have so much money to invest. And I'm sure a lot of people are like me. We have expenses. We have to work our ass off, and you know, just invest as much as we can. And so for a stock market, I was trying to make a lot of money and change my life, right? But I realized with the stock market the stock market is a slow gain, slow grow, right? So I didn't want to really start investing in my younger age. And when I get to 60, 65, I'm going to see some money in my account. That wasn't what I was looking for, because, after you get old, you don't really care that much anyways, because life is not really enjoyable that much anymore comparing to when you are younger, right? So when I didn't even know anything about crypto and Bitcoin in 2016 until that bull market started, and I started hearing from others, Bitcoin, crypto, whatever, right? And I started watching videos and doing some research, and I really realized that a lot of the gains that a lot of stocks do in a year, like maybe 10-20%, in crypto, you can get that in one day. But I also understood that it is riskier, a lot riskier than stock market, because you might lose that 10, 15, 20% even in one day, right? But I was like, with the money I have still a lot of options, and a lot of crypto is new, so you can get in earlier. And in 2018, after the first crash, after 2017's bull run, I found a lot of good coins that they were like 1/10 of a cent, and in last bull run, they went to 29 cents. And imagine if you put like $200 in that coin, it would have turned into $54,000. Imagine. How can you make that much money in the stock market, right? Just do the math yourself. What can you buy with $100 in stock market, and in matter of 2 years or 1 or 2 years, you make that much money? It's almost impossible, right? And so I was like, okay, for the money I have, it might be riskier to get into crypto, but I don't want to really get old and have money. I want to have money now, right? And so I started getting more into crypto and doing more research, and I'm really good at finding good coins, honestly. I'm gonna share with you more of what the coins I have, and I'm really looking for buying them, but I'm not really sharing that many of them with you yet, because I do not think it's a good good time to buy crypto right now, because I'm still waiting for another crash. It's not a financial advice, it's just my opinion. So I don't want to really share it with you. You guys go buy it, and then after crash, you lose half of your money. So I don't want that. By the way, if you haven't already, smash the like button for the algorithm. My channel is new, but as I said, I've been into crypto since 2017, and I have a lot to share with you guys. All those experiences that I lost money and learned, I learned in a very expensive way, okay? And I'm gonna share that with you for free. So I would appreciate if you subscribe and like the video, and even comment down below. I would like to really know about you guys more, and I will answer your questions if you have any questions. We want to have a chat in the comments, and let me know how you got into crypto and how you're doing. Are you still in the stock market? What are your thoughts? We would like to learn from each other, and this is a free channel for you, and I would like you to subscribe and support the channel. I'm gonna make another video and talk to you more about Bitcoin and how I think it's gonna crash more, and show you in the chart analysis. So I will see you in the next video. Peace.